Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be introducing you guys to a new mining project. It's a brand new mining project, so we are among the first miner in this platform. The name of this project is called BYTE Blockchain. This is a blockchain coin, not meme coin. You have to take note of this because whenever a blockchain coins launch, they list at a very good price. Also in this mining project, according to their white paper, you'll be able to do swapping whatever coin you've mined. You can also swap it to USDT and withdraw it into your wallet or any exchange of your choice. It's one of the projects no one could want to miss, and we'll be cashing out big time on this project. So I'm going to go through this step by step on how you can start mining on BYTE Blockchain and how to create your account. So if you have not started mining, here is the opportunity for you to get started. You just have to go over to the description area. I'm going to leave link right there for you to tap on it, then you'll be able to get started. So when you tap on the link, it will take you over here. So let me show you how you'll be able to create your account. And what is written here is the future of blockchain. Instead the app for easy access, tap on the button in the browser menu. Number 2, scroll down and select add to home screen. 3, open BYTE Blockchain from your home screen. 4, mine BYTE. So what we are going to do is to install the app to the phone. I'm going to install it to my phone. In case you're using an Android, you're going to see 3 dots at the right corner at the upside. You just have to go over to it and you just have to do it add to home screen. In case you are using an iPhone, you just have to go over to this arrow here and let me show that you're going to see add to home screen. So let me go over to add to home screen. Okay, let me do add, and you can see it over here. Yes, you can see it over here. So what you have to do is for you to install it to your phone. If you're using an Android phone, you have to install it to your phone. Let me go over to BYTE Blockchain. The next step now is to create BYTE Blockchain account. You can do that by tapping on the login with Google. So let me go over to it. You have to type in your email. Let me go over to type in my email. And guys, you see, it's very simple for you to create an account. Just for you to get the link and you go over to Google and type in your email address there and go over to log in. Then you've created an account on BYTE Blockchain. And over here at the up corner, you're going to see T, which is your mining. It's going to be showing your mining, your coin over there. You can see it's showing 0. And here is for you to join Telegram and for you to follow on X. You joining the Telegram, you are going to get the latest updates on BYTE Blockchain, and you following on X too, you're going to get the latest updates. And over here you can see is where you can mine, and at this side is where you can claim. So let me go over to mine. So it has started showing mining. So if you want to clean it, you can go over to this side and you can just tap in and be able to clean it. And here is the home page of it. So let me go over to here, and here is your referral. This is the place I was talking about, swap, which you can swap the coin which you mine to USDT. Let me go. You can see it over here at this side. You can see you can swap. It's showing BYTE swap. You can swap it to USDT. And over here is your friend, your referral link, the numbers of people refer. You're going to see it over here. So I'm going to keep my referral link on the description. And over here is the rank. Yes. And over to this white paper. Let me go over to white paper. And this white paper is about, okay, let me read what he said here. The future of blockchain. Start mining BYTE coin today with our free mobile app in just one click. So this have a website and a mobile. Yes, the website and the mobile is almost the same thing. There is not much difference between the website and the mobile. So where we are at the first was the website, and I show you how you can install it on your phone. So here I'm at the app side, and this white paper is about the listing. It's talking about BYTE Blockchain listing, when they're going to list, and they're talking about the rank ByteFriend, ByteMine, Alpha Phrase. It said in February 2025, ByTE Blockchain was launched publicly, an alpha prototype that's on board with initial beta. On March 11, 2025, the original ByTE white paper was published marketing the official launch of ByTE Blockchain. So this white paper is talking about ByTE Blockchain when it started their listing, where they're going to list, yes, and you can see it all here, and you can see over at this mainnet phase 3. It says mainnet will begin depending on the maturity of test network ecosystem and the progress of ByTE Blockchain. The launch of ByTE Blockchain mainnet probably will happen at the quarter 2 2026. So for you to have more information about, to know when they are listing, you have to come over to the white paper. So let me go over to done, and this is it. Here is the rank pin. So they are telling me that I'm currently at rank 2. So let me go over to here. Here is the support, here is the white paper, and here is logout in case you want to log out. So all you have to do is for you to start mining. So creating an account over here is very simple for you to do, and you can see the mining here is reading, yes. And all you have to do is for you just to go over and start mining. You can go over to the description of this video. You're going to see the registration link there. You can start mining. This is going to be a very big airdrop that you don't want to miss, and people are going to gain a lot for this ByTE Blockchain. It's going to surprise a lot of people here. I will advise you to start mining immediately, because this ByTE Blockchain just came out as of recent, and we are among the first persons, the first people, we are among the first to start this blockchain. And guys, I advise you to start now and don't miss it at all. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.